One of the very exciting pieces that we've added to Abundant Living is Spectracell. Spectracell is blood work that we do that enables us not just to look in the blood, but look in the cells. Understanding that regular blood work is different than Spectracell is extremely important. I have done regular blood work at the same time as I've done a Spectracell test, and I'd love to believe my regular blood work because it always looks a whole lot better. My Spectracell tells the truth. So the reason we want you to do Spectracell is so we can see what is not just in your blood, because what is in your blood could be going right out of your body. If it's not being methylated or absorbed by your cells, it's useless. And we can't know if you have any impedances to the absorption of your micronutrients unless we do a Spectracell test. We are testing for micronutrients because what we have found is that there are many people who are suffering from functional deficiencies inside the cell, meaning those are creating actual impairments from the cell to be able to work properly, especially as it pertains to certain things like being able to release even the right amount of ATP and energy for the cell and for the body to work. So sniffing out invisible giants has become a very important part of our practice. With that being said, I have not previously promoted a particular product line for treating these deficiencies, but I have come upon a company called Orthomolecular. They are actually partnering with Spectracell. They are a pharmaceutical grade company. You can't get them without a medical license. We've been able to secure those through our medical director. But they are the kind of vitamins that are double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial, really studied down to the most minuscule details. Everything about Orthomolecular is the best. It's excellent. Everything in their formulations is chelated. The formulations that they put together are all put together so that all the things, you know, well, I know this vitamin affects this and this affects this, they're all put together in a brilliant way so you don't have to think about it and you don't have to take 10 different things to get the one formulation that you really need. The process of doing a Spectracell test is extremely easy. You purchase the kit from our office. You take the kit down to the lab that we are contracted with. You do your blood draw. The lab takes care of everything, sends all your information back to us, and we will email that information to you, set up a consultation so we can sit down with you after we've had a chance to sit down with our Spectracell expert, and we will be able to deliver and go through your Spectracell analysis with you so that you don't miss anything. It's made to be user-friendly, but it still is a massive amount of information that can get a little bit overwhelming, especially when you're struggling with mental health. The last thing typically people want to do is try to study the minutia of their cellular activity. So we try to do all the brain work for you. So you just show up, do the blood test, get your results, find out what you need to do to supplement, and then you're on your way. We try to make that as easy as possible. And the other thing is we are doing as cost effectively as possible. This is not something we've added to Abundant Living to be another branch of a financial input to our practice. This is really something we're trying to do as cost effectively as possible so that you can get the most out of your journey with us.